Hello, welcome back to another quick and short video for grading tutorial. Yes, on a recent grading tutorial, I show a very faded book. Okay, very, absolutely on a scale of 1 to 10, probably at least 9.5 as far as fading because it can't get any worse. Maybe it could. That's why I give it 9.5 instead of 10 out of 10 as far as fading. Here, I would say that this book is maybe. What do you think? How would you categorize this book as far as fading scale? Okay, for those who are not familiar with Werewolf by Night 32, let's take a look at a non-faded copy. Okay, so here you go. Okay, that's typical. Here's a darker copy here. Okay, but there you go. So I would say maybe at the worst 50% faded at the worst. Okay, so it's hard to quantify how faded this book is, but take a look at the condition of the book. Okay, look at the razor sharp edges on the top as well as the razor sharp edge on the right and the bottom and the corner. Okay, look at the corner. Beautiful, right? Look at that. You see anything there? Not really. What I saw is perhaps a little stain right there, right above the G. Maybe, Comic Link and their small scans. Of course, who knows what's on the back cover, right? Who knows? But as far as the left, look at the spine. Not bad. It's not jacked up as in other 7.0. In fact, that's a spine that if this book was not faded, okay, if this book was not faded, I think a lot of people would agree with me that it looked, at least the front. Once again, let's quantify that the back is not available. So those that get all riled up because how can you grade without the back cover? Well, you grade with what you have. Get over it. Based on the front cover, at least on the left side, the spine, it looked like a book that can easily be an 8.0, right? How many people disagree with me? I'm sure some. But I think if this book was not faded, I would be shocked, especially if the back cover is good, that this book would be anything lower than an 8.0. Okay, but there you go. It's only got a 7.0, so we can only assume that the fading play a part in knocking the grade or limit the grade to 7. Okay, but until we see a faded book that is in a higher slab, at least this is a good point of reference. Okay, that's the bottom line about this video. Is it's always, as I spoke often, that it's an ongoing learning process for me as well. Whenever I see something that I have never seen before, like this book, a faded book that is 7.0, I record it for my own use. And then if other people find it useful, good for you. But that's it. Enough rambling. Thanks for watching. Until the next tutorial. Bye-bye.